Hi everyone. So I finally received my CISSP physical certificate via mail today. And I thought of doing this video so I could share with everyone how long I had to wait to finally get this physical certificate from ISC2. So I basically did my exam on the 31st of August and passed and submitted my endorsement application on the 1st of September. From that moment onwards, I believe it took 4 weeks for ISC2 to basically go through my endorsement application and then sending me the email asking me to pay the annual membership fees so that they could admit me as a full-time ISC2 member and then grant me the official CSSP certification status. Once that process was over, I had to then again wait for another 4 weeks to finally receive the physical certificate, um, which is this from ISC2. So whole process took about 2 months from passing the exam to getting endorsed and finally to get this. So now it's finally time to open the welcome packet and then see what's inside. Alright, so when you open the welcome pack, you have a bunch of information. It says welcome to ISC2, congratulations on passing, and there's some other additional information as well. Then finally, this is your certificate, and then they will send you a label pin as well. So let's see what this pin looks like. Let me open this up. All right, that's the label pin. So you saw the unboxing and that's pretty much what you get in the welcome pack that ISC2 sends you after you pass your CISSP exam. So if you want to know more about the certification process, the endorsement process, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below the video, and I would be happy to answer any questions or concerns you may have based on my experience sitting for the exam, going through the endorsement process, and finally getting certified. So I hope this video was useful to you, and if you found this video helpful, give us a like. That will help with the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, so until next time, stay safe.